Hi everyone, so that's my Kia Sonet HTX IMT Glacier White Pearl, and I'm going to show you all the accessories that I've got installed in it, both from aftermarket and the showroom. So let's start with the mud flaps here. These are tiny mud flaps. These are from the aftermarket and almost same as the ones you get in the showroom. The showroom guys, they quote around 489 for this, and from the aftermarket you get it for around 300 rupees. The second one is the door edge guards. I've got installed. These are from the showroom. You can see the Kia branding here. So these are, I think, around somewhere between 400 and 500. These are really useful to protect your door from hitting the walls or pillar like this. Then the door visors with the chrome inserts. I've got this from the showroom for 2279. So let's go to the boot. In the boot, I bought this car duster from Jopasu from Amazon. It cost me around 707 rupees, and it's a really useful product. Makes cleaning your car really fast and easy. Then I've got this car cover from aftermarket for 1500 rupees. Although I won't be using it much because I won't be covering my car much, so it does its job for me. I've got this tissue box for 626 rupees from the showroom. Now let's go inside. So on the inside I've got these 70 dual layer mats from Auto Future. The showroom guys charge around 5150 for similar mats with Kia branding. This one cost me 2500 rupees, and these are really good quality. And apart from that, I have these sun sheets. These are by Sparkling Trends. For the 4 of them it cost me 999. From the showroom they were quoting around 1650 just for the 2 front windows. Another useful product is this microfiber cloth. It's an unbranded one. I got it from the local accessory shop. They charge around 300 rupees for 3 pieces, and it's a really useful product. You should use it too. And apart from that, I have this very useful product. This is the front sunshade for my car, and if you park your car in the sunlight, it's really useful to so that your steering and your front seats don't get really heated up. It cost me, it's by a brand called Auto Addict. I got from Amazon, and it cost me 279 rupees. And one more accessory that I have is this dash cam DD5 Mola N3 2K plus resolution. It's a pretty good buy. I bought it from nextdigitron.com for 5099. You get it on Amazon also, but it's 400 rupees costlier than that. I have not yet installed it right now, but I'm not going to be hard wiring it because I've been told by the Kia service people that it might void the warranty. So what I'll do is I'll just use the 12-volt charger to plug it, and I'll just hide the wire from the slot around the window. So that's it guys. Thank you.